What's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Another adventure, and you wouldn't believe what I'm about to do right now. Look what's behind me. See that beautiful waterfall? That's the tallest waterfall in Sri Lanka. That's the Bambarakanda waterfall. So today we are chasing waterfalls. But first we gotta get some breakfast. So we're gonna eat and then we're gonna start hiking. Let's see how I do today. Follow us right now.
Good morning, guys. So, we are here. Hi, guys. So, we actually came to. Balangura. To
Papillion?
messing with my. Okay.
All right. So what do you think about breakfast?
Yeah. So beautiful waterfall and everything. So we came here. It's a little hut like thing there, and we have like the locals. That's gonna sound racist. So yeah. So perfect food. We had Naimaris, right?
Yep.
Naimaris pole sample. We had salmon, sauteed salmon with some paripu, sauteed paripu. Not the milky paripu though.
Yeah.
It was just nice. So that's gonna be our energy.
Some of us had a good motion.
Oh, he checked out the restroom facilities. What would you rate it out of 10?
Apparently
I have
the leeches
nothing
won't
to,
go there.
there's no scale.
It's a minus.
There's no scale here. It's out of the scale, man. It's experience.
So it is what it is out here. You gotta do what you gotta do.
That's like the fade out.
Alright, welcome back to the channel, and today we're with the man himself. We have Sudha over here, and he's gonna be taking us through this adventure. So Sudha, why don't you tell us what's gonna happen next?
Alright, we are in Bambarakanda, so we are having breakfast now. We'll be going to 3 waterfalls in this area. So the first one is going to be the Yahalathenna. That's the furthest one. So you have to go through this pine forest and then a grass patch and then a rainforest.
Yep.
And then on the way back we'll be coming back to this Lanka falls. And then the last one would be this, what you see here. That's the tallest waterfall in Sri Lanka. It's about 780 feet tall.
Alright.
Yeah. And then we'll get back here for lunch.
Alright, so there you go. The adventure's about to begin. Let's hope we survive. Thanks a lot, Sudha. All right.
Take you so baby left, and I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left, and I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left, and I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show.
Alright, so we just started. Let's see how this goes. It's my first time walking in a long time, and we're walking uphill at this point. Sudha's already in the lead, a bunch of people ahead of us, and a few people behind us. So let's see. All new adventures begin right here on Cosmic Candy TV. Like I said before in all my other vlogs, 2021 is the year for doing new things and experiencing new things, taking risks. So why not? Let's do it. Let's find out what today has to offer as well. Well, let's hope there's no leeches. Not that I'm afraid of them. They're just a little annoying when they get into your hands, if you know what I mean. Already can see water. There we go, everybody.
Take you so baby left, then I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left, then I get to take you so baby left. It's a little baby show. Take you so baby left.
Just gotta say, the air quality out here is amazing. You know, clean air. I mean, being with nature, being in greenery, as always, like I always say, like it's just a different experience. It resets all that city stress, the work stress, whatever you're going through right now. Oops, so much things to watch out for, you know, logging and walking. But it really does give you a different feeling, like you're open to other realms, I believe. Just being in nature and kind of just, you know, releasing all that negative energy, all that stress, all those things that you have in the back of your head that you think about when you're alone, you know. So it's a good thing to be in nature, and if you're able to just take risks and just travel, I suggest you do that, because that's what it's all about, you know, living life to the fullest. All right, got a long way to go, 3 waterfalls to explore, hence why this episode is called Chasing Waterfalls, just like that song from TLC. I'm not going to sing it. Yeah. Let's go. I always did like pine trees, and finally I get to see my first pine forest in Sri Lanka. Super exciting. Well, I ain't gonna lie, it is a little tiring, because the fact that you gotta climb uphill and you gotta keep moving, you know, everyone's moving at a pace. I feel like that's good. You gotta keep pace when you're doing this kind of thing. So everyone's all the way up there at this point, and yeah, it's good, man. Like, it's breaking comfort zones, it's really pushing yourself to the limit, and this is a good step. Like, this is not like extremely hard thing to do. It's just in your mind. Just gotta keep walking, keep on breathing, watch your step, because you don't want to fall downhill from here. You know what I mean? So yeah, the adventure continues. Let's see how it goes. It's been 100 days since I've been lost in the wild. I don't think help is coming for me. I'm by myself in the wilderness. And if this is my last message, if somebody finds this phone, just know that I tried my best. It feels like 100 days. It's a bit steep now, but nevertheless an amazing experience, guys. Pushing your body out of a comfort zone that is so used to. It's really great. It's really nice. And here are the natives. These primitive creatures seem harmless at this point. Oh, they've spotted us. I don't know if we're safe. One has a stick in its hand. I think we're in trouble again. Think about climbing uphill and exerting yourself. You need to hydrate. It's always important. It's always important to hydrate. It's important to control your breathing. You gotta breathe right. You gotta watch your step. And remember, if you're taking plastics or anything that you take on your trip, even biscuit wrappers or anything that you would use to make your trip easier, do not throw them away in places like this, okay, or anywhere. In fact, you gotta keep Sri Lanka clean. You gotta keep the world clean. These places deserve to remain the way they are for the future generation. So it's up to us to kind of, be responsible enough not to throw. If you're done with the water bottle, put it back in your bag.
I think it's
Nadia. It's already recording. You can't look cool now. The angle in which I'm holding the camera is how steep it is. This is where I'm at. That's where they're going. All the way down. It just got hella intense right now. We're going at a dip and it's all the way down. I'm gonna show you as I flip the camera. Check it out. Alright. My quads are killing me, my calf muscles are giving out. This is as real as it gets. Super intense. I gotta survive, I guess. Let's see how it goes. I'm just gonna push forward. Everyone else is pushing. I'm literally in the middle of the jungle right now. In all sides. Everywhere, it's just thick jungle. It's crazy terrain. But I guess with the hard times come the beautiful things in life, right? I go through all this jungle and hard exertion, and we're basically fighting the jungle to get through to see something beautiful like a waterfall. And that's pretty much life, right? You gotta go through the hard times to see a beautiful ending, or to get successful, or whatever you want to call it. Alright, so on that note, gotta motivate myself and keep going. Alright, so we're at the Yahalathenna Falls right now, and the original stream that feeds the Yahalathenna Falls originates from the Horton Plains, and it pushes down all the way over here. It's really beautiful. The water is icy cold. The only reason I'm not getting in right now is because my legs are killing me right now. My calf muscles, my quads are gone. So I just want to relax them a bit because we will be visiting other waterfalls, and I might just take a dip over there towards the end of the trip, okay? So to save you some energy. But it's beautiful, it's crazy out here. What else can I say?
Hey man, have you seen Carl, man? Have you seen Carl?
Car senses your heat.
He got the good stuff. Get out of here!
I feel like I'm gonna have a really bad day tomorrow. Trying to recover from this. But hey, all in the name of adventure. So let's keep going. Well, it's super sunny, so it's kind of dehydrating even more now. My body's fighting to stay hydrated, but it's not working out because I'm moving constantly. At the same time, it's really warm, the sun is out. I'll probably get really dark right now, get a proper tan. Not that I'm not usually, but you know what it is. I don't even know what's gonna happen next. I'm just going on robot mode, but all I can say is it's so uncomfortable that I'm enjoying it because it's pushing me out of my little bubble, you know. So I think that's what it is. Just move beyond limits or limitations, in other words, and just keep moving forward, man. Just keep moving forward. All right, so we stopped after a long descent into Tartarus itself. What do you think, man? What's going on through your mind right now?
The ends justify the means. It hurts, but we'll get there in the end.
So there you go. That's the line we're gonna carry all the way down, because it's a long way down. Let's hope we come out in one piece. If not, I'm just gonna live here.
So, can you see this? So this is Lanka waterfall, and they call it Lanka because if you can see the pool, it has the shape of Sri Lanka. So that's why we call it Lanka. And it's if you're coming here, you have to be very careful because this pool is like really deep. It's about 20 to 25 feet deep here. So if you don't know the swim, if you don't know about the pool, if you know anyone, like maybe if you can take a local villager or something like that, then it's fine.
So they can call it Sudha. He does his own thing, so you know. Yeah.
Yeah, but then if you're coming alone, don't get into this pool. Yeah, but it's a beautiful waterfall and a good vibe here.
You said this is one of the most beautiful waterfalls you have seen, and you've seen a lot of waterfalls.
One of the most beautiful waterfalls that I have seen.
Alright, so there you go. We're here at one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Sri Lanka. Thanks a lot, Sudha. Appreciate you. We're going to see one more in a bit.
Yeah.
Let's go. Man, I am fatigued. My legs are stone. My thighs are like pretty much gone, and basically, yeah, some leech had gotten to my stomach, and yeah, he's had his fill. So yeah, but still, it was worth that waterfall though. That was beautiful, and we're gonna keep going. Gotta go back for lunch. My legs are not working. I have decided to lay here and die. Hey guys, finally made it, almost the end of the day. We are at the tallest waterfall in Sri Lanka. Now this is the Bambarakanda Falls and this is 863 feet in height. It is the 299th tallest waterfall in the world. It is simply majestic, it was worth the wait. Tremendous stuff right here in Sri Lanka. So I would definitely suggest that you plan a trip like this and go chase some waterfalls. It was really difficult to kind of go through 3 different waterfalls in one day. The walks were so long, my legs are gone, I got leech bites on my stomach, took out bloodstained shirts and all of that, but it doesn't matter because at the end you get to see something spectacular, and that's pretty much how life is, right? You go through some hard times and pretty much you end up seeing something beautiful in the end. So no pain, no gain. I'm going to go dip in the awesome waterfall that is the Bambarakanda Falls. I'm going to go take a little swim and enjoy myself and end the day. If this is not the sign out, well, I think I'm going to have lunch first and then I'm going to give you a sign out. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed everything so far. We're going to be talking more about that on Cosmic Candy TV. Let's go! Alright guys, so that wraps it up for today. Just came back, changed my clothes, had lunch, and we're gonna head back to Colombo. Wow, we just saw 3 waterfalls. It was a crazy trip. You guys saw how hard it was to like walk up on the mountain and stuff like that. But in the end, it was all worth it. It was fun. It was walking out of comfort zones, you know. So it's all about that. So live your best life. Subscribe, like, share, support the channel. Until next time, Alan King, aka Boy Jeff, saying from Sri Lanka to the world, we're out. Alright, it's time for us to say our goodbyes. We saw some amazing things, we did some amazing things, it was crazy, it was fun. What do you guys think about the trip?
I can feel my feet wet. I'm with you.
It was amazing! Amazing!
It was good.
It was really good. We can't feel part of our bodies, so
Yeah, it was
part
really
of our
tiring, but
bodies,
really picturesque.
Alright.
Anyway,
If you enjoyed,
subscribe now.
yeah, if you enjoyed
Click
our
the
journey,
link below.
Like, subscribe,
subscribe CCTV, and that is not me.
Well, I think it's the Thin Mountain Air talking, but yeah, and we're all really tired. So we're gonna go. You guys subscribe, like, share, support the channel, and yeah, hopefully we'll see you guys once more again. Bye.